Hi, I'm Matt Bolton, the Director of Production here at SparkFun Electronics. We just wrapped up our very first ever soldering competition held at Oskar Blues Brewery in Longmont, Colorado. Why don't you come check it out with me? For those unfamiliar with soldering, soldering is both sort of a science and an art form of taking a metal alloy in a wire form, taking a very hot soldering iron and bringing the two together to add components, electronics components, to a circuit board and getting that to create some magical device that works when it's all put together. So what is it that separates a good solderer from a bad solderer? It's really all in the feel. Just as an artist, you can tell you how to paint and how to sculpt, but if you don't really have the touch and the feel to make that happen, you're not going to be the top-notch solderer that the guy next to you might be.
Ready, set.
Go Adam, go Adam. You the man. Watch your polarity.
The first kit they're going to be building is the Simon Says soldering kit. Old classic cult hit of the 80s, the Simon Says. From there, the kits get progressively harder, a little more difficult, so that the challenge goes up. You better be prepared to take on the best of the best if you want to win this competition. The first round could have as many as 100 competitors. We will then knock that down to 16 and finally end up with a round of 8, which will determine our grand champion, our silver medalist, and our bronze medalist.